Children, let's complete the homework problems. Yesterday I gave 4 problems for homework. First, second, third and fourth. Here the first problem is a person travel 5 by 8th part of a distance by train, 1 by 4 by bus and the remaining 15 kilometer by boat. So find the total distance traveled by him. So in this question, train, bus and the boat, the three are different modes, so we should not take the any distance with x. So that is why find the total distance traveled by him equals to x kilometers. So here the distance traveled by him equals to x kilometers. So as per the question, 5 by 8th part of total distance traveled by the train, so then 5 by 8 into x, it is equals to 5x by 8, and by bus 1 by 4th part traveled, so then 1 by 4 into x equals to 1 into x is x by 8, and by boat exactly 15 kilometers, so by boat 15 kilometers. So let's add these three distances. So first distance 5x by 8, second distance x by 4, and the third distance is 15 kilometers. It is equals to total distance, but the total distance we selected as a x kilometers. So here 15 can write as a 15 by 1, and the LCM of 8 comma 4 is 8. 18 8 table 1s are, and write 1 into numerator, so 5x. 18 4 table 2s are, 2 into numerators, plus 18 1 table 8s are, 8 into numerator. So it is equals to x. So 5x plus 2x plus 8 15s are 120 by 8 equals to x. Now the 8 transposed to RHS side. So here 5x plus 2x is 7x plus 120 equals to x into 8 is 8x. So now write the variables left side and constants right side. So here plus 120 will become minus 120. So minus x equals to minus 120. Minus minus cancel, x equals to 120. So the question is find the total distance traveled by him. So the total distance we are taken x kilometers. So x equals to 120 kilometers. Next, second question. A milkman has goats equal to 5 by 2 times the number of cows. See here, goats equal to 5 by 2 times of cows, and the cows equal to 3 by 2 times of the buffaloes. Cows equals to 3 by 2 times the number of buffaloes. If there are 150 animals with the milkman, so how many of each category has he with him? So here there are total 3 different type of animals: goats, cows and buffaloes. So if you know the buffaloes, then you can find out the cows. If you know the cows, then you can find out the goats. So once you got the 3 type of number of animals, then if you adding them, it is equals to 150 animals. So that is why first I am taking the number of buffaloes with milkman is equals to x. So as per the question, the cows equal to 3 by 2 times the number of buffaloes. So 3 by 2 times, 3 by 2 means 3 by 2 into number of buffaloes x, it is equals to 3x by 2. Next, to goats equals to 5 by 2 times the number of cows. So goats equals to 5 by 2 times of the number of cows. So but cows equals to how much? 3x by 2. Okay. So it is equals to 5 3s are 15x, 2 2s are 4. So buffaloes x, next cows 3x by 2 and goats 15x by 4. So let's add them. Buffaloes x plus cows 3x by 2 plus goats 15x by 4. It is equals to total number of animals, that is 150. So it is equals to 150. X can write as x by 1. The 2 comma 4 LCM is 4. 4 in 1 table 4. 4 into numerator. 4 in 2 table 2s are 2 into numerator. 4 in 4 table 1s are 1 into numerator. It is equals to 150. So now 4x plus 2 3s are 6x plus 15x divided by 4 equals to 150. 4x plus 6x 10x, 10x plus 15x is 25x divided by 4 equals to 150. Now 25x equals to 150 into 4, then x equals to 150 into 4 divided by 25. 25 ones are 25, 25 6 are 150. So then 6 4s are 24. Let's find out the each type of animals. So buffaloes x equals to how much? 24 buffaloes. So next to cows equals to how much? 3x by 2. So 3x by 2, 3 into 24 by 2, 2 ones are 2 12s are 3 into 12 36. Next to goats, number of goats equals to 15x by 4. So 15x by 4, it is equals to 15 into x value 24 by 4. 4 ones are 4 6 are 24, 15 6 are, so 90. Next, third question, the present age of man is 3 times that of his son. So the present age of man is 3 times that of his son. So the son age, I took the x years, then the present age of man is 3 times of the son age. So 3 into x is 3x. So next, 6 years ago, see, let's find out the age of two persons. 6 years ago. 6 years ago the son age will become, so 6 years ago nothing but we have to do minus, so x minus 6, and the man age is equals to 3x minus 6. So now the age of the man was 4 times that of his son. The age of the man, what is that? 3x minus 6 is 4 times of his son. What is the son age? X minus 6. So here 3x minus 6, it is equals to 4 into x is 4x minus 4 6 are 24. Write variables left side and constants right side. So 3x minus 4x is minus x, minus 24 plus 6 is minus 18. So minus minus cancel on both sides of equal symbol, so x equals to 18. So that means the son age is 18 and the age of the man is, so the present age of the son is x and the x is 18 years, and the present age of man equals to 3x. So then 3 into 18, so it is equals to 54 years. But in the question, find the ratio of their ages 6 years later. So let's find out their ages 6 years later. After 6 years the son age will become, present age is 18 years, so after 6 years 18 plus 6 it is equals to how much? 24 years. And the present man age is 54, then after 6 years it will become 60 years. So let's find out the ratio. So in the question he mentioned the man first, son second. So that means in the ratio antecedent is a man age and consequent is a son age. So 60, man age 60 is to 24. So here 4 ones are 4, remainder 2, 4 5s are 20, here 4 6s are 24, 3 5s are 15 and here 3 2s are 6. So the required ratio is 5:2. Next, fourth question, a number is multiplied by 4 and 5 is added to the product. If the sum is divided by 11, the result is equal to 7. Find the number. See, let the required number is x. Okay. So first what he is saying, a number is multiplied by 4. So number is multiplied by 4 means 4 into x. And 5 is added to the product. 5 is added to the product. Where is the product? 4x is a product. For that add 5. So 4x plus 5. Next, if the sum is divided by 11. So where is the sum? This 4x plus 5 is a sum. It is divided by 11. So total by 11. And the result is equal to 7. So result nothing but equal symbol. It is equals to 7. So find the number. So 4x plus 5 equals to 7 into 11. So 4x plus 5 equals to 7 into 11, 77. So 4x equals to 77 minus 5. So 4x equals to 72. Then x equals to 72 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, remainder 3. 4 8s are 32. So it is equals to 18. So the required answer is 18. Let's start today's class. The topic is solving equation that has the variable on both the sides. So the first word problem is example 11. The present ages of Rafi and Fatima are in the ratio 7:5. 10 years later, the ratio of their ages will be 9:7. Find their present ages. See here the 7:5 is the ratio of present ages of Rafi and Fatima. From this ratio we can find out the individual ages. So the age of Rafi is 7x and age of Fatima is 5x. Why? Because their ratio is 7:5. So next 10 years later. So let's find out their ages after 10 years. So after 10 years the age of Rafi will become, present age is 7x, so after 10 years 7x plus 10, and the age of Fatima, so present age is 5x plus 10. Now the question is, after 10 years their ratio is 9:7. So let's find out their ratio. 7x plus 10 is to 5x plus 10 equals to, their ratio is 9:7. But the ratio can write in the fraction form. So we should write in the fraction form to find out the x value. So it is equals to 9/7. So both side of equal symbol we have a fraction. So then we can do cross multiplication. 7 into 7x plus 10. It is equals to 9 into 5x plus 10. 7 sevens are 49x plus 7 into 10 70. 9 fives are 45x plus 9 into 10 90. Write variables left to side. So here the one more variable is 45x, so minus 45x, and constant numbers 90. You should write the right side constant number first, and left side constant number is plus 70, so it is equals to minus 70. So 49x minus 45x is 4x, 90 minus 70 is 20. So then x equals to 20 by 4. 4 ones are 4 fives are. Then x equals to 5. Now let's find out the present ages of Rafi and Fatima. So the present age of Rafi is 7x. So 7 into x value 5. 7 fives are 35 years. And the present age of Fatima equals to 5x. So but x value 5. 5 fives are 25 years. So after example 11, we have one example, that is 12, which is already completed in the previous classes. Then after exercise 2.3, so in this we have a total simplification questions, total 14 questions already completed in the previous classes. Coming to example 13. So in this figure, L parallel to M already given, P is a transversal, okay. So then find out the x value. Observe the position of two angles. One is 5x, another one is 2x plus 24. So they are in the corresponding places. So when the two lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal. So then 5x equals to 2x plus 24, because corresponding angles are equal when the two lines are parallel. See here in this, variable is on both sides of equal symbol. So 5x minus 2x, write the variables left side and constants another side. 5x minus 2x is 3x equals to 24. Then x equals to 24 divided by 8. 24 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 eights are. So then x value how much? 8 degrees. So here you have to mention the reason. L parallel to M, P transversal, then corresponding angles are equal. So 5x equals to 2x plus 24. So the simplification and x value is 8. Next example 14. Hema is 24 years older than her daughter Dharini. Dhamini. First we have to take the present age of Dhamini. Present age of Dhamini is x years. Then the present age of Hema is 24 years older. 24 years older, nothing but we should add 24 to the present age of Dhamini. So that is called 24 years older. So now 6 years ago, see, let's find out their ages. 6 years ago, 6 years ago, the age of Dhamini, x minus 6, because it is 6 years ago, we should do subtraction. And similarly x plus 24 minus 6, it is equals to 24 minus 6 is 18. So the age of Dhamini x minus 6 and age of Hema x plus 18. So now Hema was thrice as old as Dhamini. Hema was thrice as old as Dhamini. So Hema age is how much? X plus 18. It is equals to thrice. So that means 3 times of Dhamini, x minus 6. So x plus 18 equals to 3x minus 6 3s are 18. So x minus 3x, it is equals to minus 18 minus 18, because it is a plus 18 transposed to RHS side. So minus 2x equals to minus 36, then x equals to minus 36 by minus 2. So 2 1s are 2 18s are, x equals to 18. So in the question is asking find their present ages. See, here is a present ages. X is a present age of Damini and x plus 24 is a present age of Hema. So Damini present age is x. It is equals to, what is the x value we got? 18 years. And Hema present age is x plus 24. So x value how much? 18 plus 24. 8 plus 4, 12, 1 carry, 42 years. So after example 14, example 15, so I will complete the age related problems from the exercise. So example 15 I will explain later. Let's complete the age related problems. After example 15, example 16, it is motor boat problem. So later. Next exercise 2.4 first problem. So it is a homework. Find the value of x so that L parallel to M. Okay. So first problem is homework. Next coming to word problems. Second one, third, fourth, fifth. Yeah, sixth one is age related problem and seventh one also age related problems. Let's complete the sixth and seventh problems now. So here the sixth problem, Mary is, see Mary is a person name. Mary is twice older than her sister. Okay. So let's take the age of her. So age of Mary's sister is x years. Then age of Mary will become twice older, that means 2x. So in 5 years time, she will be, see here will be is a future tense. So 5 years time nothing but after 5 years. So let's find out their age after 5 years. Mary's sister will become x plus 5 and the Mary's age will become 2x plus 5. Now after 5 years she will be nothing but Mary. Mary will be 2 years older than her sister. So Mary will be 2 years older than her sister. Mary age is how much? 2x plus 5 will be 2 years older than her sister. Her sister age is x plus 5. 2 years older. He is not saying twice. He is saying 2 years, exactly 2 years older. That means x plus 2. So 2x plus 5, it is equals to x plus 5 plus 2 is 7. So write variables left side and constants right side. So 2x minus x is x, 7 minus 5 is 2. So he is asking find how old are they both now. So that means present ages. So Mary's sister age is x. It is equals to how many years? 2 years. And Mary's age is 2x. It is equals to 2 into 2, 4 years. Next, seventh question is a very interesting question. Observe carefully. In 5 years time, Reshma will be, see here will be is a future tense. So that means in 5 years time means after 5 years the Reshma will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago. Okay, how old is she now? In this question only one person, that is Reshma. So 5 years time Reshma will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago. So how old is she now? So let's take the present age of Reshma is X years. See here, after 5 years the Reshma age will become X plus 5. 9 years ago the Reshma age was X minus 9. So now, Reshma will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago. Reshma will be 3 times when after 5 years. So that means after 5 years what is her age? X plus 5 is 3 times older as she was 9 years ago. So 9 years ago what is her age? X minus 9. So x plus 5, it is equals to 3x minus 3 nines are 27. So x minus 3x equals to minus 27 minus 5. So minus 2x equals to minus 32. So here minus minus cancel, x equals to 32 divided by 2. 32 by 2 answer is 16. So x value 16. So that means her present age is 16 years. Today's homework, the first question is Sinha's age 13 years ago is half of her age 13 years later. Find her present age. Second question, 4 is added to a number and the sum is multiplied by 5. If 20 is subtracted from the product and the difference is divided by 8. So the result is equals to 10. Find the number. So next third question, 5 years ago the age of father was twice the age of his son. The sum of their present ages is 70 years. Find their present ages. Okay. And the fourth question is exercise 2.4, first problem, find the value of x so that L is parallel to M. What we have learned in this class, we learned example 11, 13 and 14. These three are word problems. And exercise 2.4, 6 and 7. And number of homework questions is 4. Thank you.